to play Monopoly. I wish.
Hey, yo, hold on 1 second, bro. Let me do something. Hold on. Hopefully, there's one that I can get. Oh, yo, good fucking shit. All right, bro. Here we go, man. We got the filter.
You know, if you guys want me to go full screen or keep it like this.
Hold on. All right, we got the filter, bro. All right, let's go. We got this shit, bro. Let's fucking go, man.
Are you interested in buying this property?
Vermont Avenue? Is it worth a cop or not?
This sale is getting interesting.
Yeah, I forgot Vermont. Yeah, we can't gentrify it. Vermont sounds ghetto because it is. You gonna try to cash me out for that bum ass property? I'm cool.
Sometimes bad things
Oh my
happen.
god,
Smart
man.
investors never give up.
Yeah, I'm not about this. No, I'm not. You can't buy my electric company. You already got to pay some other bitch ass nigga rent. I know you got to spend your money, but I'm not selling my electric. I'm not selling the electric company. Come on now.
I wish you luck.
And I landed on somebody else's shit.
It's your turn. This city is really nice. Let's see if chance is on your side.
Bro, why am I in jail? Oh my god, what the fuck is this? Oh yeah, I do have a get out of jail card. So how do I use it?
It's your turn.
Wait. Where's the card at? Fuck! How do I use it?
You must pay this player.
Nigga, I'm about to cut this shit off. Alright, Samurai, you won. You got the biggest bag. Alright, look like we got one stream sniper. This shit feeling like Tekken 7 with the rank game.
For the next battle. Round 1. Fight.
Yeah, as soon as this shit start 50% going.
That has to be a stream sniper.
random YOLO shit.
Round 2.
Stream sniper too.
Fight.
Gameplay off, though? You gonna do gameplay off, bro?
Je te tiens. Round 3. Fight.
Ball, what's up, bro?
Round 4. Fight.
Bro, this nigga just mashing his ass off, bro. What the fuck was that?
Final round.
I win a whole fucking match and then just get YOLO'd out.
Damn. Gameplay off, Dale?
This game is so fucking big, bro.
Oh, cam off. Good shit. That's some good coffee, Dale.
Round 1. Fight. Round 2. Fight.
What the fuck is this mashing ass game, man?
Fight.
Yo, guys, look at Dale's name, bro. I wonder why he has his name like that. It's because he's plugging. That's the reason why. He's plugging and he doesn't want people to report his shit.
Round 4. Fight.
This game is so fucking goddamn easy mode. Fucking fake.
Good job, Dale.
Oh, this game is fucking bullshit, man. This nigga just mashing random ass fucking strings and the shit just works. Small fucking stages, no room, can't sidestep. God fucking damn, this game is bullshit.
Get ready for the next battle.
Fucking hate this goddamn Tekken. This is not real. I'm just watching a nigga just mash random fucking strings all over the place, eat 50 fucking percent, easy mode ass fucking characters. This is, God, bro. Fucking piece of trash ass title. Everybody just plays that bitch and just mashes easy mode bullshit. Bitch got high damage and everything. I would never, ever, ever lose that many consecutive rounds to a random YOLO motherfucker if it was a real Tekken game. It's impossible. You made one mistake in this piece of trash title, you'll eat 50%. If it's a small stage, you'll eat more because of the corner. This game's a joke, man. That shit would just, I don't know, like, any Tekken game that I've ever played, there's never been a random fucker who could just take all those rounds off me like that. It's never happened in my fucking life. I cut on Tekken 8, a random ass nigga could just rob me for multiple fucking games. By doing YOLO random ass shit. On top of heat activation, on top of plus frames after heat activation, or wake up super, or like, god damn.
Hey, LTG, even though your frames drop when you play Tekken 8, you managed to look as good
Man,
as
shut
ever.
the fuck up, bro.
But I had a dream that you sang me and Hayes to
Man,
sleep.
shut your
and
pussy
it was
ass up.
wonderful.
Yo, somebody ban that nigga out of my chat.
Brother.
Ban that nigga out of my chat, bro. You're never coming back either.
This fucking song. Oh, this shit old as hell, bro. These bum ass niggas not readying up when I'm fucking trying to play a game. That player was a bad trash player that just could YOLO Bound to
with that
appreciate it, bro.
stupid fucking bitch. God, man. What a way to destroy a fighting game by trying to make it accessible to idiots. So somebody else is not gonna press ready. Niggas ruined Tekken.
Get ready for the next battle. C'est un honneur.
Corny ass nigga watching.
Everybody picking Mizzou is a cell saga.
Stream sucker.
Round 2.
Teabag? Oh, good shit.
Fight.
Yeah, I've seen no T-bag. It's a stream sucker, bro.
I think I'm going to have to see the doctor. My neck looks like it's broken. Flying Lotus.
Good job, Dale. Good shit, man.
Fight.
He was a fan? Yeah, sometimes the fans come into my chat.
Nigga keep doing a
Come to my
combo
stream.
string and doing like an unblockable fucking move after it.
Bro, there's people that fuck with Dale like genuinely on my stream also.
Je te tiens. Trop lent.
Literally a fucking stream sniper, bro.
Round 4. Fight. Trop lent.
Better me YouTube, but Dale's gonna flag me the minute I go there. So it's gonna be Rumble for now. But sometimes I go to YouTube like to fuck with him, so he can send me another flag.
Final round. Fight. Trop lent. Je te tiens.
How the fuck you fuck it up, man? He's gonna rage quit. Yo, he plugged right there. Bro, this motherfucker literally plugged right before your fucking eyes. You guys got the username, right? Yo, post the username. And make sure you post that shit on Reddit, man. This motherfucker changed his name, like trying to evade the fucking report. Yo, post his fucking name so like this you guys can fucking report his ass. Dude got so emotional that Jonathan, good shit, bro. Nikolai, good shit. He changed the name. Yeah, I think he changed the name just now. But we already got his ID, so it doesn't really matter. The motherfucker literally just changed the name, man. That's crazy, bro. This dude literally changed his name. Did he?
Yeah, I mean, it just, and you know, scrubs know it's easier, so they're gonna just, you know, you can get away with just doing random shit in this game, and it's a scrubs paradise with this one. This game's a joke. I'm just playing it because it's Tekken, but it's labeled Tekken. This is not a real Tekken game to me. You got too many tools for idiots in this game. Made it way too easy. You'll never catch a random nigga using Yoshimitsu in any other Tekken game unless they really knew what they were doing. This one, just go to training mode, learn some sample combos is easier. What song is this? Maybe I'll tell you if you were a sub. Or you know what, or if you even at least had a bit badge. I'm gatekeeping a nigga with no sub. That's what I'm doing. Wait, it says this person was previously sub, but didn't resub. Oops, my bad. That's the wrong one. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep that one for myself. Since, you know, I'm the person that found it. I am an asshole. That's probably why you didn't resub. It's probably a candy anyway. Said, no way I'm happy when I turn the stream on. Actually, I'm feeling phenomenal. As a matter of fact, to fuck with your ears even more. And Mod, somebody ban this nigga out of my stream.
That shit definitely triggered him because it's facts. You know damn well he's not happy when he ends the stream, bro. This motherfucker hates his life when he ends the stream.
I'm ecstatic now. Have a nice life. We don't give a fuck about a lame ass nigga with your last name TTV, you go liver. Nobody knows who the fuck you are. Nobody ever will. Following a minute ago to get banned to get something up off your chest. Now you got it off, now you can go.
He's still talking about it.
The nigga still had the TTV at the end of his name. Like, get a life. You sent it to him? Excellent. That's what we're gonna start doing. We're gonna start passing the track names to via DMs from my mods when I feel like gatekeeping.
It's that 50K, bro. I think he's seen the 50K, man. I honestly believe he saw the 50K and that shit just fucked him up.
This nigga really think I cut off my stream and lay in bed miserable. Nigga, I'm having a great time.
Just wanted to let you know how grateful I am to be able to look at that snoogie woogie of yours.
Oh, this stupid ass nigga keep finding ways to donate. Shut the fuck up, you fucking idiot.
Much love from my
Tired of this dude, man. Nigga just keeps stalking me every night, you fucking dumbass.
Yo, good shit, bro.
I'm gonna ban and block that username too. Fucking weirdo.
Whoever did that good shit.
Multiple accounts.
What the fuck did he say though? I'm curious.
Oh, another TTV person? Oh my god, bro.
Look how miserable he is, bro.
Round 2. Fight.
City, I'm looking for the gift though, bro. If there's a gift on that, that would be amazing.
Round 3. Fight.
And here we go. He literally plugged right before your eyes. Starwin, thanks for the 5. He literally plugged right before your fucking eyes, bro.
Starwin 1988 donated $5.
Like a blatant plug. The dude didn't even hide the screen, bro. I mean, what the fuck does that tell you? Like, what the fuck does that tell you? Bro, imagine spending, bro, like, imagine doing that. Imagine being so hurt you have to literally report people because they beat you. Like, that is insane.
Round 1. Fight.
Oh, we got Vegeta, bro. That's what's up.
Round 2. Fight.
Good job.
This game is so fucking fake. Of course it's a stream.
Gameplay off.
This is crazy to lose 3 rounds to this idiot. This is nuts, bro. Even losing 1 round to somebody like this is a joke to me. This isn't gonna kill, but whatever. I'll most likely wake up and do some random shit. Can't break throws, idiot.
Round 4. Fight.
What is this game, bruh? And fart too.
Hey LTG, me and Hayes will be ready in the back
Alright,
rooms when
why
you
is
enter
this
the
fucking
stream.
dumbass,
Did I
fucking
forget to
stupid ass
mention
nigga,
you
bro?
Very
Really tired of this nigga, bro.
very.
This nigga keep making multiple emails to stalk me.
Work, young man. Ice Kings on top.
Your fucking
Shout
punk
out
ass
to
up. Blocked.
Yo, big ups
It
for
was
you.
a fucking stream sniper.
Big ups. You shout me
I
out,
knew it
bro.
was a nigga that was stalking us the whole time.
Appreciate it, man. This dude shouted me out too.
Shut up, another bitch. Looks like we got a stream sniper here, of course.
Round one. Fight.
You would only play this character if you're trying to stream snipe with him. One button took the rest of my life. He just pressed one button.
Fight.
How scrubby do you gotta make Tekken, bruh? Nigga tapped one button and took a quarter of my life away.
Round three. Fight.
Good job, Dale.
Get ready for the
Prepare for scrub shit.
round one. Fight.
She about to make you some coffee, Dale. And this fucking song plays, bro. This fucking song.
Round two. Fight.
Oh, he's doing the fucking PC glitch bullshit.
Round three. Fight.
The fuck he land that shit on you, bro? How the hell you pressing a button? laugh if he wins, bro. Dale just loves pressing buttons, bro. Like,
Fight.
sabroso, bro. Sabrosísimo.
You lose.
It's just whack that you gotta beat weird creatures with like fucking sticks and mats and shit.
Fight.
Strawberry shots that shut up for the 4 months, thank you.
Round 2. Fight.
That's when all else works, you might as well start mashing. Do what Tekken 8 was designed for. I knew it, dumbass. Man, that's crazy. This bitch gonna hold it, and if wow, sorry,
That is insane, bro. That is fucking insane.
Round 3. Fight.
Mash one button out the corner. Wow, bro. Sit here and
Got
watch
it
this
again,
shit,
bro. Holy
Why do I play
shit.
these people twice?
Fight.
Yo, don't give him a run back. Red guard. Just bounce, bro. He plugged? Red guard, did he plug, bro? Confirm if he did. This man plugged 3 times in. He plugged 3 times in one stream, bro. Yo, Harada, you gotta. Harada, bro, you gotta fucking. You gotta console ban this motherfucker, bro. The game froze? He plugged? Oh, no plug? What do you mean? Bro, if the game froze, that basically means he plugged, like. That's a plug, bro. If the game froze, he denied a rematch, bro. You don't give him a rematch. You just bounce, man. Margo, what's up, bro? Haven't seen you in a hot minute, man. You ready to post those weird ass comments that you be doing, man? Oh, Winters is in a nation of domination, bro. What do you expect, man?
Fight.
Oh, he's gonna get fucked up. Yo, so what anime chick is this supposed to be? Like,
Fight.
this is definitely on some anime shit.
Round 3.
Rukia?
Fight.
Alright, this song goes hard, bro. I like this shit. Loud as hell. He teabagged so fast. Yo, Redguard, big ups, bro.
Level 99 Redguard donated $3.42. Dale's disconnection rate is 16% LOL. Also, congrats on the 50 bands, hombre.
Big ups, bro. Yeah, man, is he?
Round 1. Fight.
Nigga just mashing per usual. You don't know how it really feels to play Jin when it takes skill, no, do you? Nope. Smashing buttons. Somehow my life's gone.
Round 2. Fight.
I don't need to be focused on these scrubs. This is a fake tactic, bro. They made it where anybody could combo with a Mishima, all types of shit. Fake ass bullshit.
Round 3. Fight.
Game is so fucking fake. You're not good, bro. This game will just make you believe it. You know, you've never fucking played Tekken on that kind of level. Fake ass game. Fake ass game.
16% disconnection rate. Big ups.
16% disconnection rate donated $3.42. The sky is the limit. All your friends and family have disconnected from you IRL already anyway. When I say bow.
Round 4. Fight.
How much fake burst damage do you fucking need in this fake ass game? Look, it's like I'm getting hit by shit that I could easily evade in Tekken 7. Easily. Like, how am I even getting hit by a nigga randomly just pressing shit? Like, everything's just tracking everything I'm doing.
Round 1. Fight. Round 2.
Nothing about this game makes sense. Whoa, my fucking heat burst doesn't work? Thanks.
Rage quit. Rage quit. There you go. Good job. 4 plugs. Four fucking plugs, bro. How the fuck you gonna fucking plug four times, bro, in one stream? Four fucking rage quits, bro. Bro, man, they have to implement an IP ban or a console ban, bro. Make that shit a fucking console ban. Because I'm just a casual, man. I just play with my family and shit.
Round 1.
Family and friends, that's it.
Fight.
Yo, Nikolai, is that you, bro? Are you playing against them? Oh, never mind. I don't know. Let's see, man. I mean, I think I'm done with Cyberpunk. I've done like 3 gameplays on that shit. I might do a 4th one, but that's it. Like, I might just get back to Tekken. The DLC, yeah, bro. 100%. Bro, like I literally close to 100% on all those gameplays. All the quests and everything. I thought about doing the NCPD side quests, but there's like 200 to 300 of them bitches. I don't know if I want to fucking do that. That's gonna take forever. Yeah, but I like, how do you max out the cyberware? I think that's like the only way, right? The only way to max out the cyberware is doing that. Just play this fucking music right here. Another rage quit, man. This man rage quitted 5 times in this tag, bro. 5 fucking times. I think that's a stream quit also. Yep. Yeah, it's a stream quit. Alright, let me play this shit.